This is an activation of the Pennsylvania Amber Alert system. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Philadelphia Police Department is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Diaz-Palacios is a 9-year-old Hispanic male, 4 feet 5 inches tall, with short black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a turquoise t-shirt, blue jeans, and black and white sneakers. Laura Diaz-Palacios is a 6-year-old Hispanic female, 4 feet 1 inch tall, with long black hair and hazel eyes. She was last seen wearing a light blue shirt, a purple skirt, purple sweatpants, and pink shoes. Both children have a birthmark on the right side of their cheeks, near the corner of their mouths. Martin and Laura were last seen via security camera footage at 6:36 p.m. Eastern Time in Drexel Hill. The Philadelphia Police Department believes that the children were abducted by Randall Peneda, a 42-year-old Hispanic male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 193 pounds, with short brown hair, and is believed to drive a blue 2013 Chevrolet Colorado with Pennsylvania license plate number EYX 924. Martin and Laura are believed to be in extreme danger. If the suspect's vehicle, the suspect, or the children are spotted, do not approach them, as you may endanger yourself. Do not hesitate to contact the Philadelphia Police Department at 215-686-1776 or call 911. This concludes operations under the Pennsylvania Amber Alert system. We now resume regular programming.